Welcome back to Altis channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to scan your QR code on Discord. Is it maybe in a private person or a community you want to use your Discord to scan the QR code there? Let me show you how to do it now. What you need to do is, let's open our Discord. Once you open your Discord account and you want to scan any QR code, maybe in a private chat on a community on Discord, what you need to do is go to your Once you click on your go to your settings. Let me show you and this is it. This is your settings here. Once you go to the settings, you're going to scroll down. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, this is it, and you see scan QR code. Once you click on it, you can just scan your QR code. Click on while using the app, and you'll be able to just set it there, and you're able to scan your QR code. It's very easy. You can use this QR code to join an invite link to your Discord, and you can use it to scan any QR code down WhatsApp or any inviting. So it's very easy to scan. Just scan it and begin to connect instantly. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share, comment. Thank you guys.